Alright, we are about to brave the lovely blizzard of 2010 again. There's nothing on that sign because everything is closed. Nobody's in Cascades because nobody wants to leave their dorm. Oh god, and I can see why. Something smells like onions. Oh no, I can't do this. I already don't want to. What the heck was that?
Somebody yelling.
Oh, I thought that was you.
Yeah.
It's not as bad walking this way because you're not walking against it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Trying to get like all this in perspective. Oh, okay, I lied.
Oh god.
Back to going back in my eyes.
It doesn't matter which way you go. Like.
Do you see this garbage?
Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Oh no! Because I'm a pothole. Again, walking towards the gray abyss.
Okay, bye. I'm going home.
Oh man. Goodness. I'm slipping, doing the running man in the snow again. I just thought of something. It's going to be really terrible going down this hill.
Oh no.
Remember last time?
Yes. Oh gosh.
You can see the snow really good in this video. Look.
Oh yeah.
I'm soaked. Let me see how deep this is. Oh my god. For real? Like, aftermath. This is crazy. It's not coming off.
I'm gonna fall on my butt here in a second.
I wonder if they think I'm recording them. They just looked at me like, what the hell? That makes me so mad. For real? Dude, is this really happening? Like, I'm really just walking to like a foot of snow. No reason. This is stupid. Ew, I do not want to walk through that. Oh my god. For real?
For real.
Oh god. I mean, this is so pretty, but I hate it. Ow! All in my face. For real. Like covered. Yeah. We've been destroyed. I'm sure I'm like an idiot. Like, I feel like my face is like all red and stupid. Rest in peace. That's where the igloo once was. They tore it down for some reason. And there's our lovely dorm where we're headed, if we make it there.
If you scrape your feet, it's like ice.
Yeah, for real.
Like, so
Yes,
ice.
cancel my classes tomorrow. Getting choked by snowflakes again.
They got in my eyes. Oh my god, it's cold.
I don't like the way I look right now. Look at my hair.
I don't like the way I look either.
It's intense. That's definitely more than an inch or two, like the Weather Channel claimed we were gonna get today.
Yeah. I should have went home.
Yeah, you
This
probably
is
should
never
have went
gonna
home.
stop.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
And cut.